I'm not sure.
Then now. What mean? Abi.
No, sir, I'm
Watch.
not sure. Make a mad. No, which girl friend I make a mad? Yes, sir. So we let girl friend I make a mad. Which girl will come and
What's up, AC gang? You don't know say boy Capo there. And guys, I'm not done to the title already. That pranking I got normal. So hear the story now, guys. Yesterday, me and big go a shop and I decided to me I put on some extra clean and nice clothes just for go shopping, guys. So people, when I go see Abby reaction, it never normal. Before the video start though, me I beg you know to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. And also subscribe to Abby and Capo JA. Don't forget that, people. And go back to Abby's Madness and go subscribe. Do the same thing over Capos TV, yeah. Go subscribe and don't forget to follow us on Instagram right down below. Yeah guys, so no further talking, video time.
Come. Come on. Capo.
Well,
Where you put on that tago?
Abby, where go? Make a man to Abby.
Yeah, but where you put? What my clad?
Make
You
a
have
man
other plans?
to go.
Give me what's that? Give me that shirt. I just say I take picture with it for Instagram. And you know your good pants.
Ask if when you make sure to go on the road.
Capo. Put on your damn simple clothes. Simple clothes can't wear upon the road. Look at me. In a one shirt I go jeans pants and
Change that, then you
my
put-
shoes. One way almost every time. I
Change
piece a
it.
black shirt.
A long time ago, guys. Somebody, you can't still look at that in Abby.
And I'm just a come and tell her, I want to block out this old man come up on the road.
You say you can't look at that on the road, that look good.
I look alright. Me don't look alright.
That look good, Abby. Come look, tell the truth now.
Me not gonna wear. Take off them clothes.
What do you mean you're not gonna wait? What?
Look why I push
You
up to go
understand
make
where
a
you're
mad.
living, Abby?
No, sir, look why I
Watch.
push up to go make a mad.
Watch this. Oh, watch another room. You don't understand what you depend on my girl. Right, I'm here to silver chain to cut. It's not to go with. It can't go with it. Come here, go for my clothes.
Come and stop act like an idiot.
Abby, what do you mean?
Take off that dress, me not gonna wear. Cause you don't know why you dress up for one so far.
I never dress up good neither. A simple clothes in Abby. You tell me that you go to man shoes and you talk. No man, that simple thing is. No, but Abby, you can't keep on and look like you look like me on the road.
So how you look? How you
You
look?
look too normal, Abby.
Yes. Cause me normal.
You're not normal,
Then I'm
girl.
gonna ask me normal.
You know normal.
Careful, go take off them then. Cause you don't make no sense. See, you know good pants. So when say you want to go out now, where you gonna put on?
I put on a different one, look, and I said, these are for me. Abby.
Your clothes, when you even take picture in that panogram yet. You say I gotta take picture in that.
Me take picture of that man. Oh, this is it. Better way, though.
And your good shoes, where else?
So for no one, no me tell you what to look good on the road. What do you mean, but hey, move it now. Take a cup by my
Go talk to my son like that.
Get out of here.
Come
Come,
tell
brother.
you. John Crow, go talk to my son, so.
Read Abby. Come
Check
chill.
on me now, go. If I wouldn't know, I'm not going.
Why? I don't understand why.
Why you be yourself? Why you be yourself?
A simple look nice clothes.
No, which girl friend I make a man? Yes, sir. So we let girl friend I make a man. Which girl will come make a man? We watch her impress.
Abby, really? Just change your clothes and come. To that Friday. What do you mean by that?
And so what? We just go like this, so.
No, you go on. Out at the bus stop on them, and man pass and say, yo, Capo, what go on?
It doesn't matter.
What that mean? People still know you.
But
right?
you're not afraid, you're not afraid we're go to no clothes gas shop. Go to no clothes.
This Friday.
Go to no clothes. It doesn't matter. You can put, you have nice clothes we can wear on the road.
This not it's nice, simple nice clothes.
So but they go to.
But that's enough. What is it now?
I'm going to follow you. I must joke.
What is it? Come on, I get too big pressure. After my clothes, can I get fat? And if I get fat, watch out. I'm wear clothes on me.
Can we start touching?
The man don't for me.
And as I say, if I don't change, I'm not going. Come now, where I be so
Because I'm not some nice
and
clothes.
where I go to no clothes, goddamn shop. When you have to go now, what you gonna wear?
I swear to you.
You have to change. You better change and not going. I wear that and go to no clothes guys shop. And then when I time to go out now, what you gonna wear? What you gonna wear when I time to go?
I have more clothes. I have more clothes. That's like I'm not clothes.
So that
Put on a watch for me. Put on a watch for me.
You put on the watch? When you take off?
Let me help. Come, just change the clothes because this don't look good for go to the Friday. Until you take off your clothes. What's the problem with my
Go
clothes?
put on normal clothes.
What the
Where you
problem?
going and just a clothes.
I simple beat.
Ah, you damn
I simple
shoes.
beat this, Abby. If pants are big, you want to take in. What you talking about?
Look at the best pants you have in
You come back
there.
up here. I like it. But I say want to take in, so I don't like saying I'm serious about it.
Aye, that is.
I'm for that part, trader. One side tuck in, so. Now, let me worry about them clothes then, Abby.
My youth, tell me about so when I take off the good clothes. Watch out.
Oh,
Papa shoe.
Then now. What mean? I'm sure I turn around with her. But look, see me, so. Abby, come on, no, man. At 2 o'clock, you know? Almost 2 o'clock. What you do?
When
Where
you
you
take
at?
off your
Where
clothes,
you at?
when you take off your go to the clothes, you talk
My
back to me.
God, man.
Hey, now make no sense. No sense in that make up for you. No
So,
sense.
me mocha there. What call it? I'm going mocha. Make it clean up difficult.
Yo, I'm gonna say some stuff touch my good spray there. I'm gonna have to spray on.
Put on your spray. No, not for the clothes, eh? Not for the clothes, eh?
Yeah, but do not touch my body spray. You have perfume for
Put
yourself.
on a white top or a blue top and let's go. That's what you do.
Yeah.
Put on a nice white shirt or a blue shirt or
Look,
something.
where the better come from in there, sir? Who been getting
The
here?
shoes, man.
Same fucking thing. Party you go and wear the shoes. Where you wear the shoes got shop for?
You talk too much. Put your clothes on come. I tell you for you now. We need to go wake up and come out of that early today. Come on. Watch, man. Give me
Don't
watch.
change your clothes.
Why would I change my clothes?
Don't change your clothes.
Why?
Can't start acting like idiot.
You know like the man. You know like the man.
Yeah,
You know like the man with my road.
So you bush out so you know mega mad then. What you try to prove?
People are take picture of me and them things I told you. People ask me and say, Capo, give me a hard picture.
So.
You have to look good. You have to look like say,
Yes. You have to look okay. You have
not
to look,
okay.
Yeah, you have to look good.
Have to look
but
good.
but not putting on go to no clothes that won't make you look good.
Just pre that picture you have.
Go to no clothes that won't make you look good.
Then
Maybe you go look good right as no.
When I make good,
Yeah, you look that good yes no. So we are trying to say.
Yeah, no.
You got there make a matter in that. You see in a sense. And when the time for go no way go where.
You can't bring me clothes in my one. You can't bring me clothes and I'm like serious like that.
Yeah, go set the boy in Mega Mart in the same clothes when we're in a party.
It's much
You
artist
see
in
the
clothes.
clothes.
Much artist in clothes.
Yeah, I say artists are just up so I go Mega Mart.
What?
Some of them are come from and some of them are
Yeah,
go.
man, what are you going to come from? Who can know me come from?
You can't go your waist time.
Give me watch.
Your waist time. Your waist time.
Give me watch. If you go in now, because you say you want to come, give me watch. No, but if I explain it, because you're not going to put my good shirt, you know. You want to strip me now? Alright then.
Act like you're an idiot.
Alright, me take off myself. Let me go.
Now you go take off my clothes and start act like it. Watch out, take off. Can't go stop waist time. Stop waist time.
Yo,
Your
that's a
waist
better
time.
so. Boom. Ha! That's what me I beat it. Yo, give me an idea, Abby.
No, stop saying who. What's up?
Abby, give me an idea.
One big piece of paper show eat.
Abby, give me an idea. Fresh. No, better so you know, Abby. Alright, hold on you too. I better that way, you know. Fresh from prison.
I'm not gonna.
Why you not come?
When I'm ready, you call me.
Why you not come? Tell
I'm
me
not
shit now.
going to have anything.
I put on my watch now, still come. You know your phone should do, you know. You know what type of life you want to live, eh? You want to go everywhere look like scabby? You go downtown to see me, you go uptown to see me, you go party to see me, no. One thing, my girl. Abby, come now. My friend, come change your clothes and come along, man. I wish you didn't know. My friend, this me a wear. This me a wear. I don't talk to you. No, this me a wear. I'm serious about it too. We just have to do the people say nonsense. Because this me a wear, God, Mega Man. Let's go. Let's go. This. That's enough look good on the road. They can't look like normal people. Oh, people, that prank, yeah, we know it's funny, guys. It want to do for me right now. Guys, but yo, we look good! Jaja, anyway, people, obviously, yo, I don't know, say, I don't know other man them say, but they know your girlfriend now is still yo, very close. But guys, yeah, please smash the like button and comment down below. Team Capo, I know the prank, yeah, but I like guys. Abby, we know like I say, no, guys, and I'm pranker, she's not like coming on camera and say Team Capo and thing, which I find it very insulting. But anyway, people, don't worry about that. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure, say, turn on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe to Abby and Capo JA. Don't forget to go back to Abby's Madness. Okay. And subscribe to Capo's TV. You see, guys, so I take off my good clothes because as Abby said before, there's no picture on the gram in my clothes yet. So I got to make sure I take a picture in the gram first. But no, I have a picture on YouTube in the clothes. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you
We give them clothes. But that shirt here, I never shirt here part. Anyway, guys, no further talking. Please follow up on Instagram down below. Come Instagram dry. I want some people over there subscribe and follow me on Instagram and everything there. So go over there, follow me, follow Abby. You see that down below. Go follow guys. That's it. So just stay tuned for the next video. Your boy Capo is out.